Hi, my friends. Miss Natalie here. Today's story is called Today I Will Fly. Today I will fly. No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. Well, I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. You need help. Thank you. I do need help. I will get help. Woof, 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 woof. Uh-oh. Woof, 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 woof. I did it. I flew. Thank you for your help. You did not fly. I did not fly. You jumped. I jumped? It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Fly, fly, fly. Oof. You need help? I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Thank you. Hello? Hello. You're flying. You're flying today. My friend can fly. She can fly. I'm not flying. You're not flying? I'm getting help. Thank you for your help. Tomorrow I will fly. Good luck. All right, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the story. See you next time. Bye.